Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to do the 120 FPS drop test on the POCO X7 Pro. So this is a POCO X7 Pro which I'm trying to use at this moment, and is a Battlegrounds mobile gameplay drop test with the default graphics of 120 FPS, and the lowest FPS it did reach up to 109 FPS. In the 2026, this is a review on the POCO X7 Pro device. So these were the FPS drop test is in the POCO X7 Pro with the default graphics settings of close to 120 FPS. Let me show you graphics settings. So these are the graphics settings which I'm trying to use in my device in the POCO X7 Pro. So 109 is the lowest FPS we have seen so far at this moment in the POCO X7 Pro device. I'll try to do the another drop test as well. So let's see how is the overall drop test going to be there with the multiple times doing in the POCO X7 Pro in the 2026. In case if you guys are actually looking to buy this device at this moment for about close to this kind of price, then definitely it's really very good deal, I would say, in terms of the overall price and the form factor and the build quality and the battery backup it is offering it. It's really pretty good to see this level of performance in the POCO X7 Pro device. So right now it's kind of stable performance with the FPS. You can see the previous graph history as well, how the FPS is at this moment. And you can see that occasionally the frames are kind of a little bit dropping, not much at this moment. And let's do the one more drop test. So is a FPS drop test in the POCO X7 Pro device with the 120 FPS, which I'm going to show you at this moment. And right now you can see the FPS drop test. It's of close to 118, 117, 113 is the lowest FPS, 110. So far 110 is the lowest FPS I have seen in the POCO X7 Pro. So these are quick details about the FPS drop test in the POCO X7 Pro, what you can actually expect. 109 FPS. So 116 and 119 FPS. So far, this is a quick update, guys, regarding the FPS drop test in the POCO X7 Pro device. And I did feel the FPS did drop a little bit. I did feel some kind of like jitter lag little bit happened while I'm trying to land. So this is another game drop test in the POCO X1 Pro. Let's see this time how much the phone will maintain regarding the FPS drop. What will be the lowest value we can see at this moment. The previously we did say about like 109 and 110 FPS, and right now we're seeing about 117, 119, 116. Not bad. So this is the overall FPS drop test in the POCO X1 Pro, guys. So this is how you can actually expect in terms of the overall. So let me know in the comment section below what are the videos you want me to upload between the both phones. I'll definitely do my best to upload on the POCO X1 Pro and even on the POCO F7 as well, which I do have right now. I'll try to do a lot of comparison videos between the both the phones. So stay tuned for that. So is another FPS drop test which I'm trying to do in the POCO X7 Pro. So overall, during this time of gameplay, kind of close to like 5 to 7 minutes of time, temperatures in the device is about 36 degrees Celsius, not bad. Regarding the temperature readings in the POCO X8 Pro device at this moment. I thought the temperatures might even go to like 40 degrees Celsius, but that's not the case. It was able to maintain pretty good temperatures while doing this testing. Not bad. So here's another FPS drop test. Let's see how is the FPS going to be there at this moment. So 115 we are getting FPS. So which is not bad. So maintaining pretty good consistent FPS. And the temperatures right now after doing couple of testings, it's about 37 degrees Celsius at this moment, which did increase. Overall, this is a quick FPS drop test, guys, in the POCO X8 Pro device with the 120 FPS. This is what you can actually expect in terms of the multiple times I did do the testing in this phone. So this might give a clear idea regarding the overall experience, what you can actually get in the POCO X8 Pro. So overall, this is a quick FPS drop test, what you can actually expect, guys, in the POCO X8 Pro. So meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more playlist videos on the POCO X8 Pro device. So after playing for more than 10 minutes of time, these are temperature readings about 38 degrees Celsius, as you can see at this moment. 38.8 degrees Celsius at this moment. So this is what the temperature readings in the POCO X8 Pro is. Meanwhile, signing off, friends, don't forget to check the links in description for more videos which I'm going to upload on the POCO X8 Pro very soon. So every day the playlist list will be keep on updating. So that is the reason why you need to follow my playlist channel to get more details and complete experience. So always follow the playlist list every day. So go to the videos and try to check the videos whatever the suits for you, and go to shorts and try to check the shorts in case if you wanted. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.